Hey guys, today I'm challenging myself to experiment realism in Figma. We know that Figma is not meant for this. It's a tool to actually design UI interfaces for various devices, and it has nothing to do with realism. But I really wanted to experiment with Figma, which has limited features for this kind of work. You can easily achieve this in Photoshop or Blender, but my question is it possible for me to design it in Figma? I know achieving 100% is not possible, but I wanted to try at least to get that 80% of it. I'm going to recreate the details that I see in the image as much as possible, and you are going to judge if I achieve that 80% or not. So let's get started.